Hello guys. Welcome to Coach Bones, kung saan ay nagbibigay ko ng tutorial ng kahit anong mga apps or mga software. Okay, in today's video guys, ay tuturuan ko kayo kung paano mag-create ng e-wallet sa token packet. Ang token packet guys is ginagamit ito as pambayad at pang-withdraw ng income mo sa Matic Fortune. Kung sino sa inyo dyan na na-involved sa Matic Fortune, ito ang kailangan nyo. Kailangan meron kayong token packet e-wallet. Okay. So, unang-una, i-download mo muna ang token packet sa Google Apps, sa Google Play. Okay. Once ma-download mo na siya, meron kang icon na katulad nitong TP or token packet. Run mo lang yan. Okay. At mag-create tayo ng panibagong e-wallet. Okay. So, dito makikita mo rito na meron diyang choice na I have an account at meron ding no accounts. Dahil bago pa tayo, first time pa natin itong i-create, select no account. Okay. At dito sa ay mamili tayo rito ng token, mamili tayo ng crypto wallet na tinatawag na Polygon Matic. Ayan, ito yung parang number 8 infinity symbol. Okay, click that. And then, select natin, create wallet. Okay, so dito, kailangan natin mag-create ng password. Okay, so, just create a password, normal password consisting of letters and numbers. So, mag-create ako rito. Okay, repeat mo ang password mo. Make sure na pareho yan sa nilagay mong password kanina. Okay. Meron tayong hint dito, optional. Pwede mong maglagay, pwedeng hindi. Okay. Maglagay ako ng hint. Okay, click mo lang itong circle na sinasabing I have read carefully and agree with. Okay, click yung parang circle dyan. Okay, na check mark. And then, create wallet. Two passwords are different daw. Paano natin ito i-resolve? Okay. Tama na siya. Create wallet at meron diyang mga notices, learned video, and then i-accept mo lang ito guys. Anong sabi dyan? Access controlled by private keys, blah blah blah. Please transcribe the secret recovery phrase correctly. Okay, the wallet password is only used for encryption and decryption. Okay, just accept all this guys and click understood. Okay. On the next step, you will get the secret recovery phrase, which are 12 words. Before that, please read the following security. If you lose my secret recovery phrase, my assets will be gone. Okay, just click check mark. If I share my secret recovery phrase to others, my assets will be stolen. Okay. It is my responsibility to keep my secret recovery phrase safe. Okay. So, generate mnemonic. Okay. Generate. Okay. Handwritten backup. Eval. The secret recovery phrase are for recovering your wallet while write down it it correctly on paper and keep it in a safe place. Okay? So, nakalagay dito, tap to display recovery phrase. Okay? So, itap natin ito. At yan yung recovery phrase niya mo na unique. So, bawat tayong isa tayo, magkaiba yung mga security phrase natin. So, yan ay kopyahin natin. But in my case, ano ko na lang yan guys. Kunan ko na lang ng picture para hindi tayo matagal na but you're told to write that one, okay? Okay. So, ganito. Okay. Remember, don't disclose secret recovery phrase. Okay. Completed backup, verify it now. Okay. Verify it now. So, ipasulat sa'yo kung ano ang, ipapindot sa'yo kung ano ang number 1 according to your secret phrase. Okay. Ko guys. Ang number 1 sa akin guys, in this case is combine. Okay. Number 2 is party. Number 3 is tray. Number 4 is dice. Number 5 is wrap. Number 6 is eat it. Okay. Number 7, brain. Number 8, science. Number 9, noise. Number 10, margin. Number 11, pass. Number 12, veteran. Okay, so yan yung sa akin guys. Confirm. Click here to switch wallets. So, mukhang natapos na yata. I-click mo lang understood guys. Okay. And then, quickly search your network or wallet here. So, ito yung mga mga hint, mga So, wallet list, Polygon Matic. Okay. Pwede mo na itong i-down. At tapos ka nang mag-register dito sa token wallet. Okay. So, meron ka diyang Matic Zero assets. Dahil ito'y pertaining doon sa Matic Fortune guys. So, kailangan mo lang gamitin ito. Dito ka mag-send ng pambayad sa Matic Fortune at dito ka rin makareceive ng binayad ni Matic. Okay? So, ang sabi diyan, ang Matic mong cryptocurrency is still zero, meaning wala ka pang balance dyan. Okay, so hanggang dito na lang guys. Tapos ka nang makapag-create ng Matic wallet sa token packet. Okay, thank you and goodbye.